How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about Ali Reviews, the tool or external API plugin for your Shopify store. So we'll be talking about how to install it, what exactly it is, as well as its key features, the pros and cons, and going over how to integrate it into your Shopify store. So we'll also talking about why it's good. It's a good tool to have for your store, as well as a quick overview of its dashboard. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So if you guys have used anything like Air product reviews before, then you'll know exactly what Ali Reviews is. So it's a basic plugin that allows you to embed customer reviews and testimonials onto your website or Shopify store. So the purpose of this app is pretty clear. It's so you can build a sense of trust with your audience by using user reviews and testimonials. So unlike company generated reviews, which are often rigged or fake, you can't really fake the authenticity of actual customer reviews. So what this does is this little preview right here, it actually is a toggle button that allows you to display the reviews along with the rating and what the customers are saying, along with product media files like the picture or the videos of them using the product. So this is cool for many reasons, like I said, because it helps you guys build trust with your audience and consumers, and basically build that rapport with your customers and raise your social credit for your store. So let's talk about how we can actually get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to set up our Shopify store. So assuming that you guys have all of that set up and you've signed up for an account, you've registered your products, you've configured your store as well as the tracking data, analytics, statistics and whatnot, ads and so on, you're ready to actually add the AliExpress reviews tool or plugin. So to actually do so is quite simple. And the first thing that we need to do is we want to make sure that we're logged into our Shopify store as an administrator. So the next thing that we're going to do is once we're on the dashboard, there are actually two ways to access the Shopify App Store, which is where we're looking to go. And that is with the Apps tab on the left-hand side of the screen or panel, or the easy way is to just type it down in the search bar. So normally you'd click on this drop down right here and the option would show up, or you could simply type it in the search bar like so. So once you guys are here, you'd want to click on App and Sales Channel Settings, which is this one right here. So we're going to click on this, and what's going to happen is Shopify is going to redirect us to a page where we get to access the store. So we're going to click on it, and right off the bat, you can see that these are all of my installed applications and tools for my Shopify store. So there's Air product reviews, which is pretty much the same deal as Ali reviews. Sesame, which is a booking and appointment tool for Shopify store, if that is your business model is services or courses. There's eProlo, which is drop shipping all across the world, primarily in China though. Track123, which is an analytics site or plugin. Zopi, which is also or Zoppy, which is also a dropshipping plugin, and AutoDS, which is also dropshipping. So I digress. What we're looking for here is the Shopify App Store. So you want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen, and right away you'll see the option. So you guys want to click on this, and it should redirect you to the Shopify App Store. So what we're looking for here is Ali Reviews. So if you can't find it right off the bat from the list of compatible tools, you can type it down in the search bar to easily find it. So Ali Reviews and hit enter. So here it is, Ali Reviews or Ali Product Reviews. Ali Reviews imports reviews from AliExpress, which is another dropshipping or e-commerce site, to boost trust and sales. So what's going to happen here is if you guys have a store in Ali Reviews, it's going to integrate and import, I should say, all of the reviews from your products on that site over to Shopify. So we're going to click on this, and it should take us to the App Store page. So I should mention that a lot of the apps and tools on Shopify come with free plans as well as paid plans. So obviously it goes without saying that the paid plans will get you guys access to more features and services within that platform. But in this case, we're just going to do the free one since I'm just doing a tutorial. So we're going to click on install, and this will redirect us back to Shopify. And what we're essentially doing here is authenticating the app to get access to our Shopify store, in this case, Core Dynamics. So from here, it's quite simple. We're basically just going to give it permission to get access and click on install. And soon we'll have access to all of its features. Now, I should also mention that some of the apps will require you to sign up for an account on their website, while some others are actually quite straightforward. You simply hit install and you can use their features. So as you can see here, here are their package plans, and obviously like I said, the paid ones come with more features, whereas the free one comes with limited features. So what we're looking for here is to just basically import our reviews from AliExpress over to Shopify. So honestly, this is all we need. So we're going to choose this plan like normal and continue with the free plan. So we're going to wait for it to load, and pretty soon you guys will see what the dashboard looks like. So it actually takes a while for this to install itself into your store, as plugins are usually resource hungry. So let's just wait for it. And here we are. This is what it looks like. So here you have a bunch of different options. You could click on collect reviews, which is going to basically send review codes to your subscribers through SMS or email or a social request using a QR code. Or you could import your reviews from different platforms like AliExpress, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and so on. Or you could migrate reviews, transfer all of existing reviews from other product reviews app using a CSV file. So this is what the dashboard looks like. It's quite simple. And show you guys what I mean. Everything here is built in. So it's pretty much the same deal as Air product reviews. You just import some reviews from your other stores. So to give you guys a quick overview on their store and some insight on what exactly the application does, or the tool. So it says here that you can quickly import photo reviews into your store with AliReviews, now integrated with AI to help find quality reviews from AliExpress and Amazon for your products. So this focuses on positive reviews and on boosting conversions on all pages from the homepage, product card page, by showcasing customer photos and videos and customizing the look to match your store's theme. So it uses the power of AI to filter out the positive reviews from negative ones. So you can stay ahead with fast review loading in your market and automatic review collection via email with many available templates. So that's all pretty cool. And all you have to do is flip the switch to actually embed the reviews onto your Shopify store. So yeah, there you guys go. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.